there, it's Ashley from WTI. SmartyPants makes a great kids multivitamin. This also has omegas in it, and I'm always looking for a multivitamin that is not only going to deliver the nutrients that my child needs, but also is going to taste good and that they're actually going to eat. And SmartyPants vitamins are on point. They taste so good. They are not dense and squishy. They are very soft and they pretty much melt in your mouth. The serving suggestion here is 4 gummies. Typically, you'll find that with kids' multivitamins, especially gummy, it's max 2 gummies. So I really like that because I know that they are getting all of the vitamins and the omegas that they need to grow strong, the omegas that are good for their brain, and it has a great list here of everything that they need. It does come from fish oil, and it has the EPA and DHA fatty acids in the omegas that you're going to want for your child. So I would highly recommend these. They are delicious. I love taking them. And if your kid is going to be able to take a vitamin and it's also going to give them everything that they need, then check these out. But that's just my point of view.